So what is the bridge, Louis? Because it goes.
This bridge belongs to the hotel over here.
Yeah.
And this hotel belonged to the city before. Now it's a rental company. So now people, what they do, they normally when they stay in the hotel, they walk to the bridge.
Yeah.
To see the little island there and to have fun and swim and
What
all
is
those
this
things.
little hut at the top there?
There over there is just to keep an eye, to make sure everything's safe.
Oh, like
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's a massive bridge, isn't
Yeah.
it? Just for such a small island.
Yeah, that was Balaguer who built that one.
Okay, and who's that? That's
Balaguer was a government.
Okay.
He was in love with the bay, He said he decided to make a bridge here.
Nice. But we won't sail through there though.
No.
So Louis, tell us about the dispatcher. How does
No,
that work?
what we do is we just come, check you in. After we check you in, we go to the office because we have to go to see the port authority. This is the one who they charge us for fee harbor. We're
Yep.
gonna go now to this office. After that, we're gonna make some copies to give it to the Navy people, and that prove you are in the bay. And anytime you wanna check out, they have all this in the office.
Okay.
And then you have to get a dispatcher every time you leave an anchorage or a
every time you
harbour.
move, you need to have dispatch.
Yeah.
Move from here to the San Lorenzo Bay.
Yeah.
Also to the marina, you need to have a permission to move.
And is there a fee for the dispatcher?
No.
No. Okay,
No.
just a tip.
This is free. Yeah, that's
Okay.
a little tip in case you.
Okay.
This is our little village.
Yeah, it's very cute.
Yeah. It starts becoming bigger and bigger,
Where do you live, Louis?
I live here in downtown.
Downtown.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is one reason why we wouldn't bring the dinghy to the dock in Samana. As you can see, it's really quite rough.
No, another friend looking after us.
Also on this side as well. Louis is the harbour master to the Bay of Samana, and as we came to discover, his knowledge and guidance was invaluable to the whole of our stay here in the Dominican Republic. He employs a small team of people which is clearly giving back to the local community. I'm going to try and knock everyone over. Ooh, hello. It's really nice to get out of the boat and walk. You forget how wonderful it is to be able to stretch your legs. We're just going into the place now where we do the dispatchio. The dispatchio for cruisers is a bit of a rigmarole, but it is absolutely essential to have if you wish to move around the country. Oh yeah, I'm going to get wet here. We're not going to tilt the boat up, are we, Louis?
No. We're not that heavy.
We haven't had breakfast yet, so it's a good thing.
You come into the boat. You come into the boat. The rebel will be there.
As is the case with being a liveaboard, meeting other sailors with tales of their experiences can often alter or change your sail plan. We met an American family who said that instead of dashing to the crystal clear waters of the Bahamas, we should consider staying in the Dominican Republic to experience some of the stunning, lush landscape, the local culture, cuisine, and adventures it has in store. And with that, we changed our sail plan and explored Samana. It was a full moon that night, so we watched the sunset, the moon rise, had a delicious barbecue, and got ready for our adventure with Louis tomorrow. Yeah. Morning! How are you this morning? Good. Woo, I need longer legs. Well done.
Okay, good, thank you.
And two, three, do it. Come.
Done this one? Okay, thank you.
Oh, this one? Yep.
Okay.
Oh, great, thank you.
Luckily, we're not the only ones who talk to boats. Hi, Louis.
That's okay. I was a little late.
No, it's okay. We were late anyway, so it's
I
fine.
was dealing with the tank, you know. That's why it was a
That's
little
okay.
late.
It's no problem.
No problem at all.
Yeah, cheers, Louis.
Yeah. Go ahead. Okay.
Thank you. G.I. Jane, eat your heart out. What fruits do you grow here?
Like bananas, papaya, coconut, coffee, cacao.
Cacao, my
Yeah.
favourite. Might have to move here, Louis.
Yeah.
Along the roads, you can see large blue drums, of which Louis was telling us that the people of Samana currently have no piping system for fresh water. Each house has a blue drum, and lorries frequent each tank daily, delivering fresh water to the people. A piping system is thankfully being put in place. Louis is just taking us into a cigar place.
You're going to love all of this. Go and check it out.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Wow, what's all this?
So will you explain to Philippa about this again? I think she'll really like it.
Now, this is called Mama Juana.
Okay.
Now it comes from Mother Joan.
Yeah.
She was the first healing lady. She was actually a midwife who would use this type of medicinal roots to treat her patients.
Okay.
Now, it's a mixture of quite a bit different roots. Every family has its own recipe.
Right.
So that's why everywhere you're gonna try it, it's gonna taste a little bit different.
Okay.
Now what we're gonna do, as all medicine, it's really bitter. So you're gonna add three fingers of honey.
Bitter is always better.
Exactly. And so the Mama Juana.
Mama Juana.
What we're gonna do, most people here are gonna add 2 fingers of rum, or as Dominican, 2 fingers of rum. We add wine. Now, the only thing we want from the alcohol is gonna absorb honey.
And what actually are the pieces inside?
It's
what are they?
roots, it's medicinal roots, it's vines. The elderly people here, and they actually collect them in a certain phase of the moon because they're more medicinal that way. And it's gonna clean your body.
Wow,
It
that's amazing.
eliminates all types of toxins, infections. Also, women who weren't able to receive child, that would clean their womb.
Oh, wow,
Gets
how
rid of all
amazing.
that. So that's why they call it the Dominican Viagra. It's not because it's aphrodisiac. It's just because
What about the alcohol in it?
because it, well, yeah, the wine can help. Yeah, the El Café,
Okay.
because of the amount. Because of the amount of coffee that they grow.
Wow.
Now, Dominican
That's strong,
Republic.
isn't
Oh yeah, it's
Woo,
always espresso.
that's strong.
That wakes you up. Yeah. Now here we got 90% Arabica, just because of the height. You want other species, you need more than 1,000 meters of elevation. And then we have the cocoa bean.
Wow.
Now, it
Okay.
doesn't taste as chocolate at all.
Try. So what should I take? The top one? Or
Which one you like?
Oh, okay. They're quite soft.
Gosh, like a little bit slimy.
Yep.
Gooey.
Yeah,
Okay, let's go
Mm.
with this. Wow, it's slimy. Ooh.
exactly. Now, how do we make chocolate from it? First, we're gonna let it dry out for 1 week to 10 days in the sun. Once it's dried out, we're gonna roast it. And then in your grinder, you mix half-half and you get like a mochaccino.
Oh, wow, nice.
You get like an organic, natural coffee with chocolate.
Wow, and it's super good for you at the same time.
Exactly, yeah. Now, this you can eat already if you want. But it's bitter, eh? It's not sweet.
You like
I
that
love
sort of thing.
bitter.
Chocolate is not
100%. Oops.
Try that one. And they roast this in the sun, or do they roast it
No,
on
no,
fire?
wood fire.
That's without.
sugar, and this is with sugar.
Sugar makes everything taste better.
I knew which one you were going to prefer. See, I prefer the first
Yeah,
one.
you would. You would. You have your tobacco
Yes,
here.
but
This
not,
is your speciality.
but not here in Samana. Once
okay.
again, Samana, too much salt.
Okay.
So everything is grown in the inland around Santiago.
Oh,
First of
okay.
all, really good soil for tobacco. Second, a lot of rivers for irrigation. And third, what we're going
Wow,
to do,
that is amazing.
it has a mountain range.
I wish I smoked just so I could.
Now, the big cigarillos, chopped down tobacco. Lower quality of tobacco, because we're going to add flavor to it. If you smell it,
Oh,
this one
okay.
is, for example, cherry.
Yeah. And you add
Oh, wow.
like a
An
flavouring
extract,
to
yeah,
that.
exactly.
Right.
Here we only have 5 flavors: mango, vanilla, cherry, chocolate, and cognac, because those are natural extracts. But you see, that's the big difference.
Wow.
This is for natural cigars. If you take a natural cigar, any natural cigar,
How was that?
Yeah, it's
10
pretty
o'clock
good.
in the morning.
oh, but these are mild. These are
Yeah,
not
but
strong.
it's
If you take a natural cigar in your hand, you do like this, and you have those small pieces falling off, you know already it's no good, because it's made from chopped down tobacco, not from holders.
Oh, really? Interesting.
That's also the reason why your ash is going to stay on.
yeah.
Because it's whole leaves, which we're going to press for 45 minutes. It's going to hold together.
Okay, not sure about this.
Come on. Stop being 15 again.
Just perfect.
Don't just bring it in your mouth.
Exactly.
Don't inhale it.
Take it down to your lungs. Don't inhale it.
Take a couple puffs. No, you need to puff a bit more into your mouth. Yeah, that's it.
It's actually very mild though, isn't it? It's
exactly,
not.
yeah. No, it's not aggressive.
Next stop is horse riding. Oh my word.
Look, you got a nice Caesar.
Vaya, omega.
Can I get mine to gallop? I'm winning. I'm what an overtaking manoeuvre. Oh,
This is too much. Oh my god.
yeah, I've got a winner here. I've got a winner.
My butt is already sore. Oh, bit of off-road. Oh my god, really? You must be joking. Oh god! Whoa, it's all downhill from here.
Okay.
Oh wow.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow, it's like flying.
Oh! There's one candid camera.
Okay.
Go in here, Roo.
Wow, it's strong.
Yeah. Should we go under? Should we go under? Come, let's go under.
I was hoping you would stay, but I've always known that you would go find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees. 12 years old, feel the wind, watch the river run, and the sun would always shine.
Oh, how cool is this? Look.
And we sat there, you and I. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone.
It's difficult to breathe, isn't it, with the
River's
water
gonna cry
vapor?
when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry.
It's a long walk back up from the waterfall. It is a long walk back up.
Of course, I'm loving this uphill walk. It's fantastic exercise. Great for the butt, great for the thighs. James is loving it.
I'm having a heart attack.
Who's out of breath?
I am out of breath. Glad we got a horse the rest of the way back.
Poor horse, that's all I say.
Oh.
Hello.
Yes, he's already overtaking. He's keen to go.
James says his horse is the fast one, of course.
He already overtook yours.
Romeo,
Romeo.
my name means a love of a horse. That means that I love you.
So yeah, interesting.
Yeah,
Have
interesting.
you got sugar lump?
Yes, if not, bye. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, hello, you want a bit of the action, do you? Hello, hello.
He's watching tennis.
Hello, you're naughty, aren't you? This is our lunch today. So we have rice with beans and peas. I'm not quite sure what these ones are. We'll find out what those are. We have beef in a spicy sauce and like a curried chicken. Okay, so I just found out what these are. They're actually yucca.
But
And
they're yummy.
Absolutely,
They're yummy, not yucca.
they're absolutely divine. We're going to cook with the yucca tonight.
This is the one we ate today. Well,
Yeah.
they did, they grind it, and after that they take the water out and then they fry it
Right.
with a little salt on it and
Lovely.
a little garlic.
Are you encouraging me to fry things? Thanks for getting the gas, Louis.
Yeah.
So Louis, yesterday we saw a boat coming through, but we were right over in the distance. So I was counting quickly before I lost
Yeah,
sight
which
of
one
you.
it was,
I was
yeah.
like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I had to quickly do it again as a church.
And I go a place where they got a number on the factory where they making all that. Because some rum here they're not good.
Okay.
So I don't buy any rum in the little
Yeah,
store.
yeah,
and all.
okay.
And how do you make your Cuba Libras?
I put lime, ice, and rum.
Nice.
Whoa.
And some Coca-Cola?
And Coca-Cola,
Yeah.
yeah, I forget that one.
Yeah. Little Coco. Very well done.
Lovely.
Down.
Thank you.
Oh, it's kind of a little heavy.
Yep, got it. 2.
Okay, thanks Louis, thank you.
In the morning.
Thank you
Yeah,
very
we'll see you
much.
tomorrow. That was a great day.
Now to relax a little bit.
Yeah.
In the morning.
Another Cuba Libre. Right? Here is the yucca we bought today with Louis at the market. It's quite hard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it down here and then I'm going to peel it off. So we're looking forward to trying this. I'm going to make them into chips. I just love buying things like this. So cheap, all locally produced. And the one thing about this kind of produce is it's all organic. No pesticides, fertilizers, herbicides, and just super organic and super delicious and super healthy. I love it. There we have the yucca fries. So in the end, I coated them in some oil and some parmesan, some grated parmesan, and I whipped up a Caribbean curry to go with our yucca fries.
Next time aboard Aequus, we sail across to San Lorenzo Bay and explore the national park. And we discover a coastline that would look more at home in Thailand than Dominican Republic.